Hi guys, this is Shashank here. So welcome to the post-market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we look at a few stocks to trade for tomorrow. So as we discussed in the previous session, Nifty was in a downtrend. So today the market has shown some signs of recovery. It has formed good price action towards the bullish side by making high rise. We can expect a few more bullish days ahead in Nifty. So it has to start making high rise in continuous pattern, so we can expect good momentum on the upside in Nifty. So we can plan our trades above the level of 17,200 if we are getting a good price action, and if the market is sustaining above 17,200, we'll see some bullish momentum in Nifty. So if you're looking to trade on the bearish side in Nifty, we'll be looking at this important zone, which is around 16,980 levels. So at 16,980 levels, if we are getting a bearish closing below that, we'll be looking at bearish side trades. So we'll look to enter after a red candle closing in 15-minute time frame below this level for entering on the bearish side. So this is Nifty, and let's move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is looking a little choppy for me. So it is very volatile, and in the end of the day, Bank Nifty has shown some good bullishness. So even Bank Nifty, like I said in Nifty, has started to make higher highs. So we can expect a good bullish momentum above the level of 39,300 levels in Bank Nifty on the buying side. So we'll expect some bearish trades below 38,600 levels in Bank Nifty. If we are getting a closing below 38,600 levels, we'll be taking up bearish side trades in Bank Nifty. So this is for Bank Nifty, and we'll move on to the stocks which we can trade for tomorrow. So we'll come down to 1 day time frame. So today both my picks are IDFC twins. So IDFC stocks are looking amazing. They have just given massive breakouts. So IDFC Limited has given a good breakout, and it has a good day today. So it has moved around 5% on the bullish side. So we can expect some buying momentum throughout this week in this stock. So it is even at its lifetime high as of now. So our next stock will be IDFC First Bank. IDFC First Bank has also given a breakout today from the previous high. So we have got a green candle closing as well. We can expect bullish momentum on both these stocks throughout this week. So you can plan your trades accordingly in both of these stocks. So thank you guys.